Hello, my name is Cordell and welcome to CSR Digital Media. In this video, I'm going to be discussing your web hosting platform options for whatever plan you choose through CSR Digital Media. I will be looking at the main differences between Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. I'm aware that there are a lot more options for cloud-based web development platforms out there, but I believe these three will be the most beneficial for your project or your business. I will be discussing web development from the ground up in a later video. Please be aware that this video was made in 2019, so prices are subject to change. With that said, let's begin. First, we will start off with WordPress. WordPress is a content management system based on PHP and MySQL. Features include a plugin architecture, which means you can code your own unique functions for your website and plug them into your website or download other developer plugins, which typically will force you to upgrade to a WordPress plan. Let us look at my profile as an example of when you are getting started with WordPress. As you can see, if you go to My Home on WordPress, it will give you your free site that you can edit the home page, add a page, write a blog post, you can customize your theme, and many other options, including adding a domain. And as you can see, if you go to pages, here are my pages right now. I'm currently in the process of maintaining this website and making it look better. Now let's look at the plans for WordPress. As you can see, you have a set of plans you can choose from. WordPress offers a personal plan, a premium plan, and then if you go onto the business sites and online stores, it will also give you the business and e-commerce plans. I will leave links down below for each web hosting's plan so you can decide which one interests you. For now, I'm going to quickly compare and contrast and give you my personal opinions about what I like and don't like about each hosting platform. And I'm giving you my complete honest opinion about each service. But at the end of the day, I want you to choose what you believe is the best fit for you. With that said, if you are just starting out and have no idea how to make or maintain a website, I would personally not recommend WordPress. The UI is not very intuitive for customization and themes, and the themes are very lackluster to say the least. Therefore, you will be having a hard time trying to figure out how to use WordPress quickly. But with WordPress, they do give you a free website to start, and the ads are not very intruding as the Wix ads are, whereas Squarespace does not even offer a free website from the start. I believe WordPress is for the more experienced, so those of you who have had prior knowledge to building a website may enjoy WordPress for its extensive database of features and functions for your website. And the plans are billed annually, with the cheapest being $48 a year, to the highest plan being $540 a year, that being the e-commerce. And you are not given a pay monthly option, even though they tell you right here. See how it says $45 per month, but you're really not paying for $45 a month, even though that's what it says you're really doing. In reality, they're going to be making you pay $540 right off the bat, and that is for the 12 months. And so yes, it is being paid annually, so just make sure you're paying attention to that. Next, let's take a look at Wix. In my opinion, Wix is for the designers, those who love to be able to customize literally anything on their website. You guys should be using Wix. Wix by far has the most options for payment plans, and I personally use Wix for csrdigitalmedia.com. They have yearly and monthly payment plans, and they always seem to be having deals on plans as well. Most of the plans come with unlimited bandwidth, which is very helpful when making an aesthetically pleasing website. But you are very limited for storage, making it harder for those of you who love uploading lots of videos and high quality pictures. Now, you do get a free website at start, but that Wix ad at the top will not look very professional on your website. And honestly, if that Wix ad doesn't bother you, I highly recommend Wix over anything else if you want a free website without the e-commerce, obviously. So even though I say without e-commerce, you still can technically sell products on Wix using their PayPal button options, which is something to take into consideration if you want to sell, but don't want to pay for hosting. Now, as far as UI, Wix will take some time to figure out how to update, and you may need to learn how to use Wix, which is why CSR Digital Media offers complimentary training with each plan you purchase. We will create everything for you just the way you want it, but if you want the ability to maintain it yourself, we do also offer these complimentary training videos. So let's take a look at Squarespace now. The only reason why I would actually recommend Squarespace over Wix and WordPress is because of the UI. The Squarespace UI is very intuitive, and although it is a little glitchy sometimes, it is definitely the easiest to figure out how to use. If you want full control over your website after CSR makes it for you, I would totally choose Squarespace over all the others. Not only that, but you do get more bang for your buck with the Squarespace plans. They have personal, business, basic, and advanced commerce plans. Yes, it's true, you only get a limited time free website from the start, but the cheapest plan is $16 per month, as you can see here. Unless you choose to pay annually, which they say technically you're saving 30% by paying annually. So it's all up to you what you feel most comfortable paying. Be careful, as just like WordPress, like I was just talking about, they categorize their plans by paying annually. Squarespace makes you click this small toggle right here in order to switch from monthly options. You not only get unlimited bandwidth, but you also get unlimited storage as well, and that's even for the cheapest plan. So just make sure you're paying attention to the features that each plan comes with. So if you have a strict budget, I would honestly use Squarespace pay monthly options because you get not only the unlimited bandwidth, but you get that unlimited storage as well, and that's even for the cheapest plan, like I just said. So keep in mind that though that Squarespace themes are not as, let's say, customizable as Wix themes, but be mindful that the themes are just as good or can be just as aesthetically pleasing with creative design through CSR Digital Media. And if you are just starting off as a business, I would totally go for the Squarespace business plan, as you do get that unlimited storage and it's only $26 a month. In conclusion, each hosting platform has its pros and cons, which is why CSR Digital Media gives you the option to choose how you host your website. Typical developers will be charging you anywhere from $75 to $300 per hour for a website, while CSR will only charge you a flat rate from the start, and we will redesign and refine for you for a maximum of 3 iterations. Thank you for watching this video, and please feel free to contact info@csrdigitalmedia.com for your free estimate today for building your online presence. Whether you want a website, graphic designs, comic books, social media management, marketing, SEO, CSR is the all-in-one package. Thank you for watching.